Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today I will share switch words and a secret code for reducing belly fat and how to use it in an effective way. So please watch the video till the end. As we all know that reducing belly fat is very tough. So this will help you. The first switch word is somehow, suddenly, release belly fat. Your belly fat is not in capital letters. Okay. Next is tiny light and the sacred code is 720. Okay. Now how do we use it? For this code you can write it with a red pen on your belly or tummy, and you can use a blue pen also. And for this code, one more method is unique method. What you can do is, if you know about henna, or in Hindi we say mehndi, you can write this code with mehndi on your tummy or belly. It will remain for a longer time. Okay, if you wish you can use this method. Next is make an energy circle like this. Write your name, write the switch words and the code, and you can laminate this. If you do not want to laminate it, then you can use like this transparent plastic sheet and place this EC inside it like this, right? So it will not be damaged or spoiled. You can keep this under your pillow, you can stick on the wall, you can charge your water on it. You can also write these switch word and code on your water bottle. Okay, you can chant them as many times as you want. Okay, these are the simple ways you can use, and along with proper eating habit and a little exercise, you will see the result. Okay, and any doubt, please write in the comment section, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.